Monkey Gaming. Today we have two friends. We're going to be doing some motocross. Today, they look pretty fast. We've not did no practice. We're just winging it, seeing how this goes. So, let's get lined up, and we'll see how this goes. I think, I don't know, but I like how me and him got the tire. We got that tire mix up. I had perfect setup and no gear tune. I left the gear stock. He just flew. I don't really like that color. I tried to make a little Yamaha. It looks about like one. But my numbers and stuff have glitched and went other ways. I don't understand that. Okay, so we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully I'll win. I don't know how good they are, but let's see here. Oh gosh, one of them's slow. He's not even up here yet. Who y'all think is gonna win? Before y'all watch or skip the video, y'all need to tell me who y'all think will win. Oh man, that's not good. He's in first. Whoa, somebody left. Somebody not even here. He waited. Hey, that's a nice player. See how this goes here. So far, I'm in first, and he's in second. He's staying a little bit back there. Okay, so far that was bad. That was super bad. I hate how that bump's there. I don't know why they could have just left that last bump. They couldn't have. That's weird. Yeah, so far, I'm in first now. He wasn't just in first. Okay, this is not going to go good. Watch him just fly past me. There's no way. Did he cut? Wait, what just happened? Oh, I got thrown off. I just got thrown off. He's going to win this. Me getting flipped right there. I didn't know where I was at. Tell me who y'all think will win. He's definitely gonna win. See, he's already probably at the winning spot. But I like this little Yamaha I have. It's not too bad of a dirt bike. But if y'all have any ideas for better videos, tell me. Yesterday, the two people I was going to make a video with dropped out. So one of them had stuff to do, and the other one, he just never texted back. And so this is what the video today is. I'm going to try to get one out tomorrow. I don't have a schedule. Probably need to get a video schedule. But yeah, he's definitely won. Oh, he's going to keep going. I'm going to sit here real quick. Y'all want to see a little trick? This is unrealistic, not really RP, but y'all want to see a trick? Everybody knows this, but he's like, what are you doing? So, tell me let's race again. He just guns it no matter what. See, he gets that good. He's real good. Oh, he has a better bike. That's why. Let's go. Now, he has a better bike. I might get a new bike today. May have to go pick one up. There was some up for sale. I might go pick one up. It was for sale on the off-road market for like $1,000. It was a Yamaha. It was really nice. I really liked the way it looked. But the way this bike performs, it's not performing too good. It could be the tire setup or anything. But it's fast, but it doesn't perform like I want it to. So, tell y'all what y'all think. I think I should get a new bike. Yeah, it does some good tricks. But the littler body of the bike, same motor or a big motor. Oh, that's not going to be good. I don't even know what way I'm supposed to be going. See, that bike's faster than me. By a lot. I don't know how fast I'm going. Like 70. Pretty fast for a dirt bike. Whoa, water damage? How? He tried to come in close. I like doing the little videos, and this is fun. I like doing this. So I'm getting him real quick. The motocross people probably be going crazy. This was live, but this is pretty cool. He's way down there. See if he'll come up on me. That was a little crash coming on out the cone. Line stretch, here we go. See, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. We gotta go up with a big bang to win. Boom! And everybody likes me. Dang, did you see how high he went? I probably went that high, but I just didn't notice. That was pretty cool. See what y'all think of our trucks. See what our trucks look like. These trucks are not pretty bad. I like his. I really like mine. I really like his. That trailer, though. That trailer gets it. The trailer gets it. What's his little truck look like? No, he doesn't know how to make Chevy emblem like me. I'd like to know, but I just don't. Whoa. I don't know what to do now. Maybe go camping? I'm gonna ask him if he wants to go camping.